Headshot. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up. Fade it. Fade it.
Now I done grew up around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels, some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to fit in with the popular, that was my problem. I was in a dark room.
Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Layla, if you didn't already know, and I'm back at it again with another video. And today's video will just be spend the weekend with me. Today is Saturday. I kind of wanted this to be like a reset type of video. I have been having like a stressful time, and I feel that I haven't really been, how can I word this, giving myself me time. So that's what I will be doing in this video, and I just wanted you guys to come along with me. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, make sure you tell me in the comments what you want to see from the next video. Yeah.
Day I'm getting closer and closer. Dog, your girlfriend wants to be mine. She calls me all the time, that lets me know I'm on her mind. And I don't know what to say, but hey, I'm sorry it
Okay, so right now we're in Sexton, and we're just looking to see if we can find anything because I have a concert I'm going to, and we're trying to figure out what I'm actually gonna wear. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, we're in here, and anyway, more than 30. So some girl at my school, she had this bag, and I thought it was so cute. I don't think I'm gonna get it right now though, but it's a Marc Jacob bag, and it's like, yeah, it's cute. Anyway, so we're in Ross, and look what I found. So I'm definitely using this today. Yeah, so I found this mask, and I'm really excited because I've been wanting to try this for the longest. I needed to get some lotion, so I got this, and this. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying the Cheeto June that I just got. I put a little bit too much water because I was supposed to fill it underneath the line, not on top of the line. Like, come on. So yeah, it's a little watery, but the flavor is gonna be there. We gonna hope so. All right.
You know it look nasty and you know it tastes nasty because you ain't want to follow directions and put a little bit of water. Instead, you wanted to overdo it, so now it's nasty. So stop trying to act like it's not that bad.
It's gonna be good, like when it's like not watery, but it's not bad. It's just not the best right meal because I put too much water in it. Like, what's wrong with me? Okay, so I just tied my hair up. I washed my clothes. Now I'm waiting for my quilt and sheets to finish drying. Right now I'm just gonna read a little bit of this book. I'll probably read it again sometime in this this video, but yeah, I'm about to read this, listen to some music at a low pace, and just do the vibe. Probably after this, if it's still not like vibey enough for me, I'll probably just fold my clothes, and yeah.
I am doing an Aztec face mask, and I'm doing this face mask because face masks are an easy way to relax and to just take care of yourself with self-care. I normally would do face masks every week or at least every 2 weeks, and I haven't really done any in a while or just did any self-care things for myself. So I decided to do this face mask and just relax myself.
Caught a shorty off a Insta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been whipping up conventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off.
Okay, so right here I'm wiping the face mask off, and I decided to shave my face. What I'm using to shave my face is just a simple razor you can get at the hair store for $1, and I'm using aloe vera gel to shave my face, or use that as like the shaving cream or whatever. Shaving your face is really good for getting any dead skin off your face and the hair, and it makes your face appear a lot brighter. I finished shaving my face. All I did was wipe my face with water and put moisturizer on.
The top down. I don't know what else he said. But it's Sunday, y'all. It's the next day. So this will be where the Sunday reset comes in, because I'm gonna use that title. I need clout. It's like no. But yeah, I'm about to paint because I haven't painted in so long. So I'm about to grab my computer. I want to do a body painting. So I'm gonna grab my computer, look up one that I want to kind of recreate myself, and we about to make it happen. You feel me? Make it happen. You feel me? But we gotta sketch it out first. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I got my computer in. All right, y'all. So I'm a little bit like confused on what I want to do. Not confused, but a little bit stuck on which vibe I want to go for. So right here, I like this, but I wouldn't do it blue. But like, I like how that one looks. I like that, the way how that looks. But then I also like this one. And I'm leaning more towards this one, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make that bra. But I'm about to listen to some music and sketch it out.
Ready or not, you can't hide.
So I know I'm sitting weird, but we not gonna mind it right now. So I'm using different shades of brown. Let me show y'all. Different shades of brown, and I'm gonna use black to outline. But I'm about to mix certain colors that I'm doing. Alright, y'all, I finished painting, and it's roughly 7 o'clock. Yeah. This would have turned out to be. I like it. I probably would do next time the darker colors on the smaller spots and the lighter colors, or maybe make sure that the colors don't blend, because the two darker colors kind of blend together a little bit, so you can't really see a difference that much, but I like it. So listen, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm doing something else. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna end this video off with me journaling. What I'm gonna journal about is I'm gonna talk about my week, and then I'm going to make goals for this coming week. So yeah.
Okay, so journaling is really good for relieving stress and just talking about your day without worrying about if it will go anywhere, or talking about anybody that's bothering you without not knowing if it's going to start a problem or anything. So journaling is a really good way to just express yourself, but by yourself.
Okay, I just wanted to do a short journaling. I didn't want it to be too much. I just wanted it to be something quick and personal, but also to start back writing in my journal. I was talking about my day every day, but that gets really hard to do when you're tired. So I'm not going to write every day. I mean, certain days, if it's a bad or a really bad day or a really good day, I will journal it. But other than that, I'm going to try and just journal weekly. And yeah, just make goals for the next coming week. With all that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you didn't already. And yeah, thank you.